Good morning, traders. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do, because of stories like Brett's Club. Very, very famous name in the course. Brett P is a brand new student, just joined the course. And this is a gift. Brett is incredibly excited about trading bootcamp. Please count me in. It's a joy seeing students and graduates signing up. And the most important part, as Brett shares, my trading has improved so much since I started your program. So when we combine both efforts, my system, my strategies, with Brett's effort, with students' effort, the skies are the limit. Spectacular work by intelligent human being whose trading improved. Congratulations to Brett P. It's a very different Brett P than prior student before. Brett P just joined the course. I can't wait to see you in bootcamp. So this is what we will be concentrating on in bootcamp. Ultimate precision. Market selling off. Software showing you ultimate entry, stop and target. Buyers worthless, bold pink line obeyed. Buyers struggling immensely. But what is this chart showing you clearly? This chart showing you clearly bearish markets require drastically more skill to trade. Bullish junk present at least 40 to 80% of the time, which is exactly what's playing out right now. Price stuck in the middle of nowhere in junky correction. This is not a good news if market not selling off and hanging for dear life in the middle of nowhere in excruciating pain. Intelligent trader understands this is nasty, this is brutal. If I convert this chart to 5, this is a market now, not selling off, been in bullish correction for the last 6 hours. This is a stunning lesson on dangerous bullish corrections. So when you start identifying the power of buying the bottom, the power of shorting the top, the danger of bullish corrections, everything changes. Bullish corrections playing out non-stop. And if you're using software, currently software showing you this, it's nasty. Walking away is the best option. You stop paying for your broker's vacations. You stop staring at the screen for hours. We need for market to crash and burn this morning. If market not doing that, extremely aggressive and dangerous market will continue. Intelligent move to walk away if market not selling off. And that's a crucial key part of your trading. Avoiding nasty markets and trading the power. Yesterday was spectacular and flawless bullish reversal that Alpha Fibonacci system picked up from very bottom. All played out in the live markets in the trading room. In case you missed the event, let me bring you back to all that played out. Let's go back to January 16th. Market selling off but haven't reached reversal zone yet. In today's institutional class, I will be teaching this. This is critical key part. This is where intelligent retail trader buys the bottom. January 17th, price skyrockets with vengeance. This morning we're in an entirely different place. This morning price stuck in the middle. This is drastically more dangerous morning than yesterday. Yesterday spectacular, today is brutal. How you adjust to market conditions is everything. How you separate spectacular versus brutal markets is key to your success. Without understanding of brutal versus spectacular, success is not possible. This is brutal. We need for price to collapse. That's it. It's that simple. Alpha Fibonacci system has no software on this chart. Traders trading this on all time frames, all platforms, all instruments. System traded globally since 2011. Absolutely no software required. You simply insert Alpha Fibonacci levels into Fibonacci Retracement tool and you apply critical key rules. This is retail junk, this is retail chop. We need sell-off, we need the crash, we need the price exactly here. If not, the price exactly here. So when S&P is stuck in brutal chop, it's waiting for oil news at 11 a.m. EST this morning. So while this continues, we will review and prepare with oil. So this is key institutional chart on oil present in the trading room for years. Intelligent trader knew far in advance not to buy oil at this level. Intelligent trader knew far in advance to monitor for long at this level. All the details in institutional class, where students can also ask questions about their instruments. So this is key institutional buy point where oil have been for the last 8 weeks. Institutions keep buying the market despite all the catastrophic global events. But if you are trading your own little account and you understand that oil in very dangerous place on retail chart, it's completely opposite to S&P. Bullish rally on oil overextended, oil stuck in chop, oil stuck in pain. Sell-off and crash on oil is a gift, junky correction is not. So when you understand the importance of this level on every single chart on oil, you stop stressing out, you stop panicking, you stop speculating, you stop losing money. You start trading markets as intelligent strategic chess. Junky correction on oil. Junky correction on S&P. Identical levels, identical moves, playing out in front of you too, the tick. That's it. Identical events on S&P and oil playing out currently. There is nothing else. So the oil continues in brutal and nasty correction. Identical moves, identical price action on S&P in a play. No one is surprised, all precise. When you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. Sell-off and crash on oil for intelligent trader is a gift this morning, as low as possible, to institutional buy point. Junky correction that's been playing out on oil for the last 20 hours is not the place to be. This is key level on oil. This level is out, oil will crash on retail chart. But the most important part, institutional buy point, 70.71. And you know this weeks and months in advance. That's it. Identical event on every single chart on S&P. Continue playing out. So the power and the beauty of the system, it applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. It's traded on instruments and platforms I never even heard of. If it has price and Fibonacci retracement tool, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. All you have to do, make an effort as Brad, very new student, does. So Brad excited about Bootcamp. And his trading improved already since started the program. So can yours. All you have to do, make an effort. students in more than 50 countries and US from 14 to 80 plus year old trading the system on Apple, on Amazon, on Nvidia, on Euro, on Bitcoin, on Nasdaq at critical key levels, testing you to the core. 2024 will be drastically more challenging year to trade. So if you're trading pure price and day trading is not for you, look at the chart once a day, trade gold, trade VIX, trade Euro, trade Nvidia. Can you buy the bottom on Nvidia? Can you enjoy 500% right? Traders all over the world have done that. And that's a stunning reminder. This morning I wake up to texts from Saudi Arabia and Moscow. Very different traders will be joining us in the course. From New Jersey, from New York, from Florida, from Moscow, Saudi Arabia, London, Dubai. Every trader different background, every trader different account. And the most important part, you will stop losing money. You will stop losing your mind. You will stop staring at the screen for hours when market is junky. When institutions holding positions, you will be tested to the core. And that's the reason I'm doing bootcamp this year. So we are down to 10 spaces in the bootcamp. Sooner you sign up, more prepared you will be. You will be in the bootcamp with beginner traders, hedge fund managers, financial advisors, with traders who trading all time frames, all platforms, all instruments. So if you're joining us today, you will be much more prepared, polishing your skills in a bootcamp. Bootcamp included in every single option posted on the website. Private mentoring with a bootcamp savings $10,000, the most desirable option. I hold your hand, I test you, I quiz you, I keep you accountable. I show you if day trading is for you or not. Group course, the most popular option, savings with bootcamp over $7,000. Sooner you start, more prepared you will be. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, choose option 1 and 3. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. But first, view students' performance, listen to students' podcasts, and see students' reviews. Any questions, pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed. All I ask you is make an effort and choose the instrument appropriate for you. It's that simple. It's that pure. It's all in your hands. If Brad P can do this, so can you.